The official name of the Bhor Committee was Health Survey and Development Committee, appointed by the then Government of India in 1943, and the purpose of the committee was to survey the health conditions of Indian population and the health services prevalent in India at that time. And second purpose was to make recommendations for future development of health services in the country. The committee submitted its report in 1946, and it observed that to improve the health services of the country, there was a need to launch a national program for this. And another observation was that if we want the nation to be healthy, then it is prevention of disease which should be emphasized rather than cure or treatment. So the public health program for improvement of health services should be based on preventive health, and these preventive health activities should be provided alongside those activities required for treatment of patient for curative medicine. Three important recommendations worth mentioning of the committee report were integration of preventive and curative services at all administrative levels, which means that provision of preventive health services should be done along with the treatment for the sick people at all levels. That is, from the grassroots level health center to the most centralized advanced health institute. This is known as integration of preventive and curative services. Second recommendation was to develop the health services in India in two stages in form of primary health centers. Third recommendation was some suggestions in medical education curriculum were there. So for development of primary health centers in two stages, a short-term measure and long-term measure were suggested. The short-term measures suggested were to create primary health centers for a population of 40,000 population in rural areas, and above few primary health centers, some secondary health centers which would supervise the primary health center as well as function as a referral institution. Patients who need to be referred from primary health centers to a higher institute can be sent to secondary health center. And a long-term measure to increase the number of such primary health centers, that is to decrease one primary health unit to 10,000 to 20,000 population. So decrease the population per center. In addition, to have inpatient facility in these centers with 75 beds. Also the secondary units were suggested to have 650 beds for inpatient treatment for those requiring admission, and establishment of district hospitals at district level with as many as 2500 beds. The changes in medical education were suggested, out of which the most important one was 3 months training to be started in preventive and social medicine, now called community medicine, so as to prepare social physicians. The short-term PHC was to cater to a population of 40,000 and with the following staff. Even though the Bhor Committee recommendations never formed a part of the plan for social economic development of the nation, it still remains a major national document and provides guidelines for national health planning in India even now.